Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Today we learn a topic on how Google policy work or AdSense Terms and Conditions. AdSense Terms and Conditions. You know, when you apply for AdSense and you didn't follow in simple steps, Google can terminate or suspend the ads from your website. So we are coming to learn a few things on Google Ads or Google Terms and Conditions so that your site will be free from termination. One policy is, first, you need to have Gmail account. Without Gmail account, you cannot create Google AdSense account or Google AdSense account. 2, you should be at least 18 years old. You should be at least 18 years old before you can create Google AdSense account. Before you can create Google AdSense account. But if you are not 18 years old, there is an option that your parents' information will be provided. But the safer way, you should be 18 years old. 3, never, when Google accepts your AdSense or Google accept or Google place ads on your website, never click on your ads. When you click on the ads on your site, Google will terminate or Google will suspend the ads from your site. So never click the ads on your site. Though when you click ads or when someone click the ads, you get money, but don't say, oh, I want money, so I'm going to click it myself. When you do self-clicking, Google will terminate from your site. So never click on your ads. 2, never ask someone or somebody to click on your ads. Maybe you tell someone, visit this website, you see an advert, click on it. The moment Google starts showing ads on your site, Google uses a system to monitor your site or activity that goes on your site. When you do that, or when you let someone click your ads, Google will see that no, this click is intentional. It's intentional. We have non-intentional, then the person don't know what to do and he click, and the Google will say this, so it's not intentional. But when you let someone click it, Google will know that no, this one is intentional click. So Google can terminate the ads from your site. So never ask someone or someone to click the ads from your site on your site. Don't use ads on website with adult content. Like when you apply for AdSense and AdSense approve your site, don't write adult or porn content. When you do that, Google will terminate the contract. And 2, when you apply for AdSense and your content is about adult or porn content or other sex, Google will not approve your site. You submit it 50 times, Google will reject it 50 times. So never, when Google accept your ask or Google accept your request, never write a content on adult on your site. Never create a second ads. This means that when you have a website or app or whatever, and Google accepts your request and placing ads on your website, never create another ad. Or maybe I want money, so I want to create another this ads so that Google no. Google don't do that. When you do that, Google will reject it. So what you do is never create second ads. But when you're already having an ads and Google terminate or Google close that account, don't use the same Gmail account to create a Google AdSense account. create different email and use it to create Google AdSense with different website or app. Maybe your app or your website, Google has a terminate the AdSense from that website. When you want different AdSense, create different blog and create different AdSense, different Gmail account. Create different Gmail account and use that Gmail account to apply for AdSense on your new blog, not the old blog. The old blog Google has terminated, so Google has recorded the blog. So when you use different AdSense or different code, or when you paste, or when you bought or buy someone AdSense account and you paste the code on your website, the AdSense will terminate, or Google will terminate the contract, because Google has already recorded that AdSense, that has already recorded the website that there should not be Google AdSense showing on that website. So when Google terminates your content or your ads from your website, never create different or use different Gmail account to create account on the same website. When you want different AdSense apps, create different website or different app and create different Gmail account so that you can apply for AdSense. So don't use the same Gmail account to apply. If you do that, Google will not accept it. Or when you have YouTube account, you say, oh, since I have a website, Google has terminated my website, so I'm using the same Gmail account to create YouTube. No, Google will not accept. So use different Gmail accounts so that to use different listing. And also, don't use AdSense on website with copyright material. Maybe you pick some pictures from Google and other stuff. When you do that, Google will see it, and you having AdSense on your website, Google will terminate it. Google don't like this. So you have a website that can get pictures free or materials free. And two, don't use watermark images. Watermark is a written, or it's an image where there is a written on the images. Image, and you see some writings on the images. When you do that, Google will terminate the content. So don't use copyright material. So when you want non-copyright material or free material, visit pixelbay.com or on splash.com for free materials. When you visit this website, you get free material for your blog. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.